Tornadoes are one of nature's most destructive forces. In minutes, they can change lives forever. But while you can't stop a tornado, you can be prepared. Let's explore essential tornado safety tips and how Trustworthy can help safeguard your family's vital information before disaster strikes. Start by creating a tornado safety plan. Identify a safe room, preferably a windowless interior room on the lowest level of your home. Conduct tornado drills so everyone knows where to go, and establish a communication plan with a trusted out-of-town contact. Next, assemble a well-stocked emergency kit. Include essentials like water, non-perishable food, toiletries, a flashlight, tools, first aid supplies, and important documents. Keep enough stockpiled to last 72 hours. But what about crucial documents you can't fit in a bag? That's where Trustworthy comes in. Trustworthy is a digital vault for storing and managing essential family documents, keeping them safe, secure, and accessible when you need them most. In Trustworthy, you can store vital information like family IDs, insurance policies, medical records, property deeds, and financial documents. Trustworthy ensures your documents are protected from loss or damage, even when the worst happens. Trustworthy's advanced features make it simple to get started, and you can use automatic reminders for important updates, collaborate securely with family members, and access documents from any device, anywhere. Staying informed is just as critical. Sign up for weather alerts, use a NOAA weather radio, and follow trusted news sources for real-time updates. When a tornado warning is issued, move to your safe room immediately. Cover yourself with heavy blankets or mattresses if you can, and stay away from windows. Preparedness is peace of mind. With a solid safety plan, an emergency kit, and Trustworthy securing your important documents, you'll be ready for whatever nature sends your way. Get prepared, stay protected. Visit trustworthy.com.